We have certain standards that we require of our mills, and to meet those standards, the mills must go out and source the wheat that has the correct characteristics. Because of King Arthur's exacting standards, the grain that'll go into, say, King Arthur flours must be kept separate. This is a natural product growing under varying conditions, and to put it bluntly, some grain turns out better than others. The grain is collected from the country elevators, it moves to big terminal elevators, and eventually it's milled into the finished product. A certain quantity of grain is removed and it's tested. It's tested for protein, it's tested for moisture content, which is incredibly important for the stability of that grain.
Check you out. So that's all they taking is one.
Well, our mill partner, Farmer Direct in Kansas, are fantastic folks and lead a great small stone ground mill.
There's lots of machinery making lots of noise, and it's a very energy intensive process to reduce grain into flours, and as a result these are very tough environments in which to work in, and our hat was off to everybody who was working in those environments.
We buy the best wheat for its protein level and bakeability, but we also make sure that the milling process is the best in the industry. Then we also make sure that that flour is bagged properly in the highest quality standards in the U.S.
Our flours are distributed around the country, and these bags of flour end up making some of the nation's best baked goods.